Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the screen on your patio door has tears, loose mesh, or simply looks worn out after years of use, replacing it can make a huge difference in how clean and functional everything feels again. Sometimes small holes start letting insects inside, while other times the screen becomes loose and no longer sits properly in the frame. At first, replacing a patio door screen may sound difficult, especially if you have never removed one before, but the process is usually much easier than expected once everything is laid out correctly. The good part is that with a few simple adjustments, your patio door can start looking cleaner and working smoothly again. Let's go through several easy steps to replace a screen on a patio door. Try these. Step 1. Remove the patio door screen carefully and place it on a flat surface. Step 2. Pull out the old spline from the patio door screen frame to remove damaged mesh. Step 3. Lay new mesh over the patio door screen and leave extra material around the edges. Step 4. Press the spline back into the patio door screen frame to hold the new mesh securely. Step 5. Trim extra mesh around the patio door screen for a cleaner finish. Step 6. Place the patio door screen back on track and confirm smooth movement again.